4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1.
Right, that's a bit more like it. We're going to take it into some scene work now. Everyone take a seat for a second. So in these factories, I'm going to give you a little bit of background information and the historical context. We're then going to get you to rehearse your scenes with this information in mind. So during this period, if you worked in a factory, no breaks. So we're just adding a little bit more drama and a little bit more what we call realism into our versions of Les Mis. All good?
I made a lot of new friends and I got to be like a really shouty workman, which I enjoyed playing.
Oh, what are you doing sleeping on the job? Get up, you lazy bones!
What did you do that for?
You threw it at me. There's nothing you can do. Oh, my hand! Go back to work. She needs a doctor. It doesn't matter. How many more to go, boss? We've been working all day. Yeah, we need your help. I can't fix this machine. It's not working. Ah!
Right, that's it. I've told you a million times. Get out.
What are you doing? I said get out.
This isn't fair. We're young children. We're so tired at the end of the day.
What I really enjoyed about the Les Mis workshop was the singing, because I really got to show my emotions about the at the end of the day mostly, and a bit about do you hear the people sing reprise, sorry.
And that's all you can say for the life of the poor. It's a struggle, it's a war, and there's nothing that anyone's giving. One day is nothing about what is it for. One day there's to be living.
Ones to the barricades! Twos, we're waiting on you! Threes, hurry up now! Lovely, that's it. Keep going, don't lose your focus. Hit the French army before they hit you, and slow down. Remember that, take it in slow motion, but don't lose all that beautiful energy, all those lovely facial expressions you're giving it. Keep going, this is where
I liked all the acting and dancing because I really like doing slow motion things.
If you've got a flag as a prop, you can even start to wave it now if you want to. Lovely. When I point at your group, that's going to be your group's turn to take the 15 seconds in slow motion to do the big dramatic death sequence. Or I'll tap at you if my fingers aren't very good.
For me, the most exciting thing about the Les Mis workshop today was the freeze frames and the small scenes, because I really enjoy making short, quick scenes because we have to think fast, try and incorporate it, as well as making sure that the audience can see all of us as well.
It was just amazing. I loved it.
Good, nice. Lovely.